We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my studio. I really appreciate it when you guys come and watch my videos. The support for my art has been really good lately and I'm just so thrilled about it. So today, because my last two pours were so awesome, we're going to play on the spinner with the split cup again. So let's get down to the canvas, or in this case a wood round, and see how well it goes today. Hold on there. Okay, today we are playing with an 18-inch round wood plaque. You'll notice I taped a popsicle stick on the back of it to make it easier to spin. This is a big baby. And again, we're going to play with my split cup, so that'll be fun. So our colors. First color is Deco Art Alizaran Crimson. This is a really pretty color. I love this. Look at this color. Ooh, look at that color. That's a pretty one. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is Arteza Electric Yellow. This is so beautifully bright. It's a bit of a neon, has a bit of a tiny greenish tint to it, but man, does that really show up pretty in a pour. Next is one of my favorites. This is Artist Loft in the metallic cobalt blue. Oh, this is such a pretty blue. Look at that color. Well, you can see that color, but oh, look at that shiny blue. All right, and our last color is Amsterdam, and this is the permanent blue violet. And this is so pretty and dark. Again, the trick to this is what color you put in which chamber. So I've already picked out the order I want to put them in. So we're going to start filling up this cup. So we're going to put the blue violet in the first chamber. Fill these guys up. Okay, ooh, that is a pretty cup. Look at that cup. Nothing like a pretty cup. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that cup is. All right. Now, a little bit of gold here. If I can get it to open. A little bit of gold left. Even though I don't have gold in the cup, I'm going to put just a little gold in the center here to pour into. Get us started. Let's put that one again. Alright, that's just a little something, like a bullseye for me to hit. So I sort of hit the center. Alright. I'm going to change your angle so you can see the pour better. Hold on. Alright. I'm ready to pour.
The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're
Okay. Woo! Look at that. All right, let me move you up. Hold on. Bring you back up so you can see it when it spins. Put you over here.
just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the
Oh, look at that. Look at that spiral. Oh, I think this is going to be a pretty one. Ooh, I'm happy. Happy, happy. All right, let me make some, thin this one paint out. I have some leftovers here. See if it will work as a bit of a glow extender around the outer edge here. Oh, wow. I'm loving the look so far. All right, let's get a little glow extender on here.
shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
The flow extender is here just to help my paint slide without ruining the design. It'll stretch the design but not run over itself and ruin itself. So that's why we're putting this on. And we thin our flow extender so that it's thinner than the paint on the board. So it'll move faster and get out of the way of the other paints instead of going with them. It'll let the other paint roll right over it. Push it off. That's why it doesn't matter whether your flow extender really matches your other paint so much, because you're not really going to see it in your pour.
Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go.
All right, that's pretty good.
All we need to put on
Just don't want any
the radio.
bare spots that are going to mess things up. Okay, that worked well. Okay, we are ready for the moment of truth. We're going to spin this. I don't think I have enough block for this way to keep things from shooting up. Okay. All right. Here we go. Now, you don't have to spin terribly fast, so your paint shoots for miles, because it's going to move just by the slight force of a light spin. Wow. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm happy. Look at that. That is cool. I think I'll give it one more little spin to stretch it just a wee bit more. But that's it. don't want to leave too much paint on here. But, oh wow. Look at that. Got some little bubbly things going on in here. There are lines like crazy. You can definitely see the spiral. Oh, that one's cool. That is so cool. All right, let's torch that. So I see a lot of bubbles here. Whoa. Oh, I am happy. Look at that. Woo. Oh, okay. Let me take you out of the cradle and give you some wet results. Hang on a minute. Okay, we're ready for wet results. I've got it off the spinner. I'm sitting on some cups. Look at the lines. Look at the way these colors played. Oh. You can see every color. Though it's surprising that the permanent blue violet is the least seen color. Crimson and the yellow are really outstanding in here. But this center, look at the blue. This is where you can really see the blue violet and the cobalt blue right here in this center. Look at this center. Oh. And you can like follow that spiral all the way around. Look, you literally can follow that spiral all the way. So cool. Oh, loving it. All right, I'm gonna let that dry and we'll wait for some dry results. Hang in there, guys. Okay, we have the dry results on this one. It did darken a bit, but I still love it, especially that cobalt blue. Oh, look at that. So we're going to start in the center and sort of work our way out. Look at this. I love all the lines and the movement. You definitely see a spiral all the way around. Especially if you follow the red. And that center is just so pretty. Look at this. Look at the cells in the center here. Oh, loving it. All right, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to receive notifications of more videos. Thank you so much. Your presence is so appreciated. Have a wonderful day.